Yo guys, what's up? This is me, Makalam Jamil, back again with another video. And today I'm gonna be teaching you how to use a webcam. So let's get started. So first, what you would like to search is Chrome extensions. Right here. Yes. Go to up here. The first one. And oh god, no. This is extensions over here. Yes, extensions. Right here. Gotta go to extensions. And then you gotta search hippo video. Alright, as you search that, it will show you this loading screen. And the first option. This is basically like a webcam. It does screen recordings with a webcam. I've already downloaded it. You gotta press the add extensions button. Alright. So then you need to go to this button over here. This hammer like thing. And this hippo video. Right here. You gotta press and this over here. Now it'll load up here, and this is all this is where you record this webcam. My webcam is not working, but there will be an option for you of a webcam for the webcam. And gotta press allow for all these options. So that's good. Then so now you gotta press this button of record on it. Now you cannot record on an empty page. You're gonna go to a platform, like for example you go to Social Blade or any other platform. It's not necessary that it's like Social Blade. So then you gotta go to hippo video recorder, do all the steps I just told you, and your recording will start. And this is it for today's video. This is a pretty short one. I explain you how to use a webcam